Its architecture and mosaics were patterned after nearby Byzantine churches and palaces, although its outside appearance has been significantly changed in the Ottoman period and again in the modern period. The decoration of the outer walls went through two major phases. The initial mosaic scheme comprised marble and mosaics, much like the interior walls. 16th-century Ottoman Sultan Suleyman the Magnificent replaced it with Turkish faience tiles. The Ottoman tile decoration was replaced in the 1960s with faithful copies produced in Italy. Surah Yasin, the heart of the Quran, is inscribed across the top of the tilework and was commissioned in the 16th century by Suleyman the Magnificent. Al-Isra, the Surah 17 which tells the story of the Isra or night journey, is inscribed above this. The interior of the dome is lavishly decorated with mosaic, faience and marble, much of which was added several centuries after its completion. It also contains Quranic inscriptions. They vary from today's standard text, mainly changes from the first to the third person, and are mixed with pious inscriptions not in the Quran. The structure is basically octagonal. It is capped at its center by a dome, approximately 20 meters, 66 feet, in diameter, mounted on an elevated circular drum standing on 16 supports. Jerusalem was recaptured by Saladin on October 2, 1187, and the Dome of the Rock was reconsecrated as a Muslim shrine. The cross on top of the dome was replaced by a crescent, and a wooden screen was placed around the rock below. Saladin's nephew al-Malik al-Muazzam Isa carried out other restorations within the building, and added the porch to the Al-Aqsa Mosque. The Dome of the Rock was the focus of extensive royal patronage by the sultans during the Mamluk period. It is believed that the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him ascended from the noble rock into the heavens on Al-Isra wal Miraj, the night journey and ascension. A divine ladder was descended from the highest and amplest garden of paradise, Jannat al-Firdaus, down to the rock. Now we are near to southwestern side of the noble rock. It is covered with gold grill. It is believed that the blessed footprint of the Prophet, Saw, is still visible there. We are taking camera inside. See the rock inside. People inserts hand and touch the rock for blessings. At the center of the Dome of the Rock sits a large rock, which is believed to be the location where Abraham was prepared to sacrifice his son Ismail, Isaac in the Judeo-Christian tradition. Today, Muslims believe that the rock commemorates the night journey of Muhammad. One night the angel Gabriel came to Muhammad while he slept near the Kaaba in Mecca and took him to Al-Masjid al-Aqsa, the farthest mosque, in Jerusalem. From the rock, Muhammad journeyed to heaven, where he met other prophets, such as Moses and Christ, witnessed paradise and hell and finally saw God enthroned and circumambulated by angels.